Rain delay. Rain delay. Billy Hebert. Rain delay at Billy Hebert Stadium. Brushback. Featured picture on Got on Baseball. River City Bandits. Proof you can still have fun. Even when the game is over. Oh yeah. This is what baseball, youth baseball, is all about. People think it's about wins and losses. People think it's about what travel team is the best. At the end of the day, it's about kids, 14-year-old kids right now, playing slip and slide in the rain. Remember that, parents. It's not about wins or losses. What's important is that they still get to be kids at the end of the day. At the end of the day, they get to be kids. Got 'em baseball.